Good morning, everyone. Another episode back here in the water. Back here at the little pond by my house. Today I don't have too much time to fish today. Just a few hours, 3-4 hours. So I'm hoping we can get a good bite going. There's a fish. Just to show you guys, I was being stubborn about throwing a jig and a worm, and these windy conditions, spinnerbait changed it up. You guys got a little belly, got a little 2.5 pounder right here. Let this baby go. Back home. This wind is pretty bad. The 24-kilometer winds. I got my anchor down, but it's not really holding. It's just making me drift slower. But we got one fish on the spinnerbait. Let's see if we get a second one before I gotta go home. He's pulling. Come on, buddy. There we go. Gave him a little bit of slack. Came off. He took the worm. There we go, guys. Another one for today. A little 1-pounder. These are not big. They are certainly fun to catch. I will take it any day. This is amazing. Hopefully we catch a couple more before I gotta go home. This one's got a little bit of a belly on him. Okay, let's let this baby go. Off to swim another day and get bigger. He was a little stuck in the weeds. Just trying to keep pressure on him. Then I decided to just let off the pressure just a little bit, and it was just enough for him to swim off from the weeds where he was stuck. And then we got him out, and that's how we pulled him out. So there we go. That's number 2. Let's see if we get another one. We get 2 more before I gotta go home. I got about an hour left to fish, so if I could get 2 more, I would be happy. Well, if I get 1 more, I'm happy. You know what? I'm happy regardless. But if I could get 2 more, it would be like a bonus. I just saw one roaming around right here. Throw the worm right to him. See if he takes it. Oh, no. He let go. He took it, but he let go. He's still there. He takes it again. Jesus Christ. There he is. There we go. He's a feisty little one. He fell under my seat. I had to get him out. Good thing I was close to shore to get him out, because that was the struggle. Let's go with the just a little gracious release over here. was terrible. That was completely terrible. Well guys, that is it for me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video today. So I know I only caught 3 fish. Really windy conditions today. Managed to catch one on the spinnerbait, which obviously, you know, once I made the switch up, that fish came in. And then the rest on a worm. And then the last fish you guys saw on the tube, which was, that shouldn't have happened, but good thing it wasn't a tournament. And good thing there's enough water under the feet of my kayak for that fish to be able to breathe. I'm gonna cast right here by the dock, see if I get any last fish of the day. But that's it for me for today, guys. I appreciate you very much for watching the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for joining for all those new subscribers. Guys, we'll see you next time. Take care.